Channa Masala recipe is today's kitchen recipe. It is a perfect blend of aromatic spices, expertly sourced and selected. There are no artificial flavors or colors. Time required. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 25 minutes. What you need: 4 tablespoons oil, 2 onions, diced, 1 teaspoon garlic puree, 1-2 teaspoons ginger puree, 4 tomatoes, diced, 40 grams Rajah Chana Masala spice blend, 400 grams canned chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 teaspoon salt. One thing more, we are using Rajah Masala for this dish, which contains all the ground spices, or you can use them separately according to your taste. Optional garnish: 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, freshly chopped, a small chopped onion or red chilli. Method: heat oil in a saucepan. Add onions and fry for 10 minutes until soft and golden. Add garlic and ginger and fry for 1 minute. Add tomatoes and continue to stir fry for 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Add Rajah Chana Masala spice blend and continue frying for 3 to 4 minutes. Or you can use your desired ground spices. Stir in chickpeas. (200 milliliters of water and salt). Cook for a further 4 to 5 minutes, then garnish with coriander leaves, chopped onions or red chilli. Alternatively, use 125 grams dried chickpeas, soaked overnight, and then pressure cook according to manufacturer's instructions. And that's how our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.